This session is an overview of the Microsoft Excel 2007 window. We will look at the Office button, Quick Access Toolbar, the ribbon, the Formula bar, and the Status bar. The Microsoft Excel window has several parts to it. The top left-hand corner is the Office button. Next to it is the Quick Access Toolbar. At the right side are the Close and either Resize or Maximize and the Minimize buttons. Below are the tabs, which show a set of buttons on the ribbon. Beneath the ribbon is the name box showing the named ranges as well as active cell reference, and to the right is the Formula bar. At the bottom left of the window are the navigation buttons, then the tabs, and below everything is the Status bar. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the Office button. This button shows common Office actions: New for creating new documents, Open to open existing documents, Save to save the document with the current name. As you can see, when there are several choices, each item has a description explaining its purpose. With Save As, you can save a document as a 2007 document, as a previous version, and you can also open the Save As dialog box to access all file types. The next item is Print, to either open the Print dialog box, print the document, or view the document in Print Preview. Prepare contains tools to help prepare the document for distribution to other people. These include checking the document for any personal information, making the document read-only, and checking if the document is compatible with other versions. Send has choices on how to send your document to other users electronically. Publish shows you the options to make the document accessible to other users. If you have Business Contact Manager, you will have a choice on how to link files to a contact. And Close, to close the document. Along the bottom of the Office button list are two options: Exit, to exit Microsoft Excel completely, or open the Microsoft Excel Options window. This includes information on default settings, including fonts, how many sheets are included in new workbooks, when formulae are calculated, proofing options, where the default file location is, and Advanced contains more editing and viewing options. Customize is for customizing buttons on the Quick Access Toolbar. Add-ins show information on active, inactive, and document-specific add-ins. The Trust Center gives you information on keeping documents safe and settings on your PC. And lastly, Resources are additional information about updating, contacting, and help areas. The Quick Access Toolbar shows buttons that are always available. As we saw earlier, these buttons can be changed in Microsoft Excel Options in the Office button. You can also right mouse click on a button on the ribbon and select Add to the Quick Access Toolbar. There's also a tiny drop down at the very end of the Quick Access Toolbar which allows you to customize. And you can right mouse click on a button on the Quick Access Toolbar and choose to remove. Below are the tabs. These are used with the ribbon. The ribbon shows all items available and they're grouped. If there's an arrow at the end of the group, there are more options for the group. Clicking on the arrow will open a window or dialog box. Each tab shows a different set of buttons on the ribbon. The Home tab shows formatting and some editing tools. Insert shows the type of items that can be inserted. Page Layout, page formatting and other options. Formulas show function lists and groups, as well as formula auditing and editing. Data shows the items that were previously found in the Data menu. Review contains proofing tools, comments, and protection tools. View, the tools that change the way the sheet looks, as well as macros. And add-ins contain any tools for available add-ins. There may be more tabs available depending on what you are working on. For example, if you're working on a chart, there will be tabs specific for charts. Below the ribbon starts with a name box. You can resize it by dragging the bar next to it. Then there's the formula bar with the insert function at the beginning, and the edit area for creating and editing cell information and calculations. The right-hand side are chevrons pointing down. This button will collapse or expand the formula bar to allow you to show more information. If we look down to the bottom left corner of the screen, you can see the sheet navigation buttons. If we have several sheets, we may not be able to see them all across the bottom. The first button shows you the first sheet tab, the last sheet tab, and the arrow left and right moves the sheet tabs left and right. You can still right mouse click over these to view a list of sheet names. The sheets are the tabs at the bottom, and with the new tab at the end to insert a new sheet. You can still right mouse click over the sheet name to view the shortcut menu, which still contains insert, delete, move, and copy, rename, and tab color, but now also has protect sheet as well. Next we have the status bar at the bottom of the screen. The first area is the mode. Mine says ready because it's ready for me to work. It might say filter mode if I'm filtering a list. At the other end are the view buttons. The current view of normal, the page layout view showing how the sheet would look like on paper, and page break preview so I can see and adjust page breaks within the document. After that we have the zoom. The slider allows me to drag the zoom to the desired setting, or I can click on the % to show the zoom dialog box. If several cells are selected, then Auto Calculate may show different calculations down at the bottom. You can also right mouse click on the status bar and customize what is showing, as well as seeing the status of the options. We have looked at the Office button, Quick Access toolbar, the ribbon and tabs, and the status bar. We hope you have found this informative. We are continually producing new videos, so if you have a suggestion for a new topic, please contact us through our webpage www.epiphanytraining.co.uk.